Hello my beautiful people. Today's video is actually in continuation to my previous video, which was the Sephora haul part 1. I only shared makeup products in that video, but this is part 2 to that same Sephora haul, in which I would be sharing a few skincare items that I picked up during the same haul. I don't have a lot of stuff, so but still I didn't want to include it in that video because I wanted to categorize it based on makeup and skincare. So I thought I would do a separate video on the skincare products. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the first item. I know some people would say that this is not skincare but a makeup item, but for me a makeup primer is more so a skincare product, because this is something you put on your skin before the foundation in order to protect your skin, and you don't want to really apply foundation directly onto your face. So for me, makeup primer is always a skincare item, and this is not something new. This is the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer, and this is just a restock of the one that I already have, and I usually just get the travel size on this one. I know they have like a very jumbo size for this primer as well, but this is what I have been using for so many years, and it has like a cap and it has got a nice little pump to it. So I'm not gonna open it because I still have my other primer in stock. So that's the first item. Then moving on to the second item, which is very appropriate for the coming summer months, hopefully, keeping my fingers crossed, even though we are almost in the middle of May, but summer is nowhere to be seen here in Canada. But you know, as they always say, always remain hopeful, and that's what I've been doing. But still, I went ahead and bought this Supergoop Unseen sunscreen. It's got SPF 40 in it, and this is a broad spectrum sunscreen for normal / combination skin, and it's water resistant up to 40 minutes, and this is oil free. And the best thing they advertise about this is this can be used as a makeup primer. So I was really intrigued by that fact, and I was like, okay, if I have to put one less product on my face, then I'm up for it. So how I have been using this product is right after I wash my face and I tone it and put my serum on, I use this SPF as a makeup primer, and then I put my foundation on. So that is what I have been doing from the past couple of times. And it says right here, I don't know if you can see that, Hello Sunshine, and the tube is right there, and as you can see, it says Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen, that holographic pattern. And if I can open this up and show you the texture, yeah, it's very silicone-y, but in a good way. So as you can see, and even if I try to rub it into my skin, it feels very, very smooth, and it has a very faint smell, but nothing that is overpowering or that could be bothersome to somebody. I don't think so. And once it gets absorbed into your skin, that's what I have noticed, it does not leave any sticky residue, or it does not feel very tacky. So I'm really enjoying this sunscreen cum makeup primer for now. So yeah, that is that. This is a 50 ml. Yeah, this is a 50 ml packaging. Moving on, I actually did not have any eye cream with me, but you know, as they say that you should always be taking care of the skin under your eyes, because that's very sensitive, and you shouldn't be putting any harsh chemicals, or you shouldn't be rubbing it with a lot of pressure. So I thought, let me try something from this brand named Peace Out. It is their retinol eye stick. You know, of course, they recommend you to start using anti-aging products once you cross the age of 30. So I thought, why not I get something with retinol in it, because fine lines start showing up on the corner of your eyes when you are in your early 30s or late 30s. I don't know, but I just wanted to I just wanted my skincare to be proactive rather than reactive, because once I have those fine lines, I don't think you can reverse the clock and try to put products to get rid of those fine lines. So why not try using some products which are already made for those? So the concept behind this is very interesting. I really liked it. So you pull out the cap, and then it's almost like a twisty bullet lipstick kind of a packaging, which I thought was pretty neat and hygienic. To be honest, I really don't like digging my fingers into an eye cream especially, and then, you know, taking some product out and then putting it right under my eyes. I know there are spatulas out there in the market which you can buy, and then you can use those spatulas to get a little bit of the cream onto the back of your hand and then use it under the eyes. But I really did not want to get into all that hassle. So I thought, let me try this, which is very convenient. And if I try to rub it, it's smooth. It's not leaving any sort of residue, but what I feel is it's not a very thick kind of eye cream or an eye stick. Like, I know I've heard I've read so many reviews about the Kiehl's avocado eye cream, and people say that it's very thick, but it's this is not something around that line. And it says right here, Peace Out Retinol Eye Stick. It's a concentrated serum balm that refines lines around the eye area. So what I try to do is, and it very specifically says on the packaging that you shouldn't be rubbing it like to and fro. You should only be swiping it. So I only go in one direction, so that I put minimum amount of pressure on that delicate under eye area. So that's what I have been doing. And I know with skincare or eye care, you cannot tell the difference right away. It's only been a week or so that I have started using this, but I like it for the ease of use and how hygienic this is. So yeah, this is something if you want to consider. Moving along, from the same brand, Peace Out, I got their acne treatment dots. As I have already mentioned in my videos that I have oily, acne prone skin, and you have been paid visit by unknown friends a lot. So as you can see, I'm not sure if you can see, I have one right here and one right here. So they don't even give you prior notice before coming. So I thought maybe this is something I could benefit from. I got the packaging that has 20 dots. I know they also have a bigger packaging wherein they have 40 acne treatment dots. And it says right here, I don't know if you can see it, with this brand, what I've noticed is they have like very punchy taglines, even on that eye cream. If you can see right here, I'm not sure if you can see, camera focus. It says seeing lines, hit rewind, peace out, crow's feet. So that is pretty hilarious. And then even on these acne treatment dots, it says right here, you can see, don't pick it, just stick it. So and then it opens in a very interesting way. I thought like it would open like traditionally, like from here, but no, just like a necklace box. So right here, this is the flap, and then as you see, it's almost like an envelope, and here is the two individual packets. I have already opened one. Each one of these has 10 dots, so 10 plus 10, that's 20 dots. And I already opened, this was a Ziploc pack, and it says, after cleansing, apply a dot tacky side down on your blemish. For best results, leave it on overnight. And I have tried it a couple of times already, and I must say that it does bring the redness around that acne down. So yeah, this is like that strip. Of course, it had like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and as you can see, I've already used like 5 of them, and I like it so far. But again, as I told you, with skincare, you do not see very early results, so I will keep using it. And last but not the least, I have just one hair care product, and to be honest, I really did not need any new hair mask, because just during the Sephora spring savings event 2021, I picked up the Sol de Janeiro's Brazilian hair treatment, and that is also very thick, very moisturizing hair mask. But I just could not resist myself from buying it, because I know I follow Arshia Murjani's channel, and she put up some stories on her Instagram wherein she provided her recommendations as to what she would like to pick during the sale. And she mentioned this item, and I just could not resist myself, because even in the past, whatever I have bought based on her recommendations has always served me well. Even with that unseen sunscreen, this is something Arshia mentioned in her story as well, so I thought let me try it, and I really like that sunscreen thing. And this is also something that she recommended, and I have only used it once so far. Not able to tell much of a difference yet, but I will keep using it. Now, what the actual product is, drum roll please. Yeah, so it's their it's from Kerastase Paris, and it's their Chronologist Mask Intense. And they advertise this hair mask to be a youth revitalizing hair mask, because you know, as we age, our hair also age, and then you know, we do a lot of heat damage, sun damage. How we can actually reverse that is using this hair mask. At least that's what they advertise this for. So I thought, why not I try it. And it's a bunch of details on the outer packaging. It says made in Spain, and it's 200 ml packaging. And let me try and open this. Traditional packaging, and then this is the tub. Yeah, and it smells really heavenly. So as soon as you open this jar, there is this stopper kind of a thing. You can use this to pick this up, and as you can see, it's almost milky white in color. It's very thick. It's if I try to jiggle the jar, it's very jiggly. Yeah, as I already told you, the smell is really heavenly. And if I can show you the texture, yeah, it's pretty smooth. And yeah, I will continue using it, but I know currently I have the Sol de Janeiro's hair treatment mask in my shower, so maybe once I'm out of that, I will start using this one, or maybe I can alternate, but we'll see. Yeah, I think with that, this video actually comes to an end. As I already told, I did not pick a lot of skincare products because I already picked them during the Sephora VIB sale, wherein I picked up some skincare masks and stuff. I will leave a link to my Sephora VIB sale haul video as well in the description box, so make sure to check that out as well. Yeah, I think that's it for now, and hope you like this video, and if you like anything that I picked up, do give it a try, and also let me know in the comment section below if you ended up picking anything from the items that I picked up. I would be really happy to know that, and I will take your leave for now, and until we see each other again, take care, stay safe, and I love you all. Bye.